Hey everybody, it is Monday, May 18th, and we're going to take a quick look at our lessons for the day. To start off, we've got the chapter that you read on Friday. We're going to do that again. So I want you to go through that chapter first. And then following that, there's some comprehension activities over here with the read and comprehend activity button. There are more questions and activities in the comprehension than you need to do, though. So if you go through the first 4 pages, that will be plenty. I think there's going to be 2 pages after that that you don't need to worry about. So after you reread the chapter, go to comprehension, but don't think you have to go through everything there. Just the first 4 pages, all sets of different questions, and that's all you're going to need to do for that. Then we're going to get into our math exercises for the weekend. We are doing multiplication and division this week. So just a quick reminder of how we need to do this. And again, I'm not as concerned with the math part of this as I am talking about the problem and talking about what's going on with the problem and getting the main idea. So in the event you have a problem, we've got some here, but I'm going to say if we have a problem that looks something like this, 3 times 2, say we have 3 bags, and each bag we put 2 bottles of juice in. Talk about what that means. Talk about what it's going to look like. And it's a case where you can, and there's some pages here that are going to help with that as well, but talk about, we can draw a picture there. We have 3. And how many things do we put in each of those? We put in 2. So you might want to draw a line in each of those and count them for the total. You could also do things like get some bowls out, get 3 bowls and drop 3 M&Ms in it, or 3 pennies or something like that. The main thing we really would be worrying about in class is talking about what's going on, not the math so much. And as you go through these problems, when they get more difficult, maybe some double digits, those kind of larger numbers where it's not practical necessarily to lay everything out, use a calculator, but still go back to talking about what's going on with the problem and what it would look like in a real life sense, because that's how we would spend a whole lot of time in class. I hope it goes well for you. We're going to be doing this. We're going to be doing multiplication twice this week. We're going to be doing division twice this week. So you're going to have a chance to look at these again. But best luck with it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Send me a reminder, send me an email, and we'll see what we can do to help you out. But really, just don't get hung up on the math. Get hung up on what's happening in the problem from a real life perspective. Hope you have a great Monday, and please let me know if you need anything.